Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use LocalSend Android to Android. All right, as you can see here, on the left-hand side, here I have my Samsung device, which is basically an Android device. But on the right-hand side, I have an iOS. But as you can see here, they're all the same. All right, the steps will be the same as well for Android to Android. So what you'll do on your main Android device where you wanted to send something, you can go ahead and tap on send right here. And then select a file, media, or even a text that you wanted to send. Okay. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and send a file. I'm going to tap on it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and send this picture right here. And after that, you can tap on select. But by the way, you can go ahead and send as many as you want. So tap on select. And after that, just go ahead and find your Android right here in the list. Now, if you can't see your specific Android device right here or any other devices, make sure that you're currently connected to the same exact Wi-Fi. Now, once all of your devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection, you can now then go ahead and click on search devices right here and it will be listed. All right. So tap on your Android and then in your other Android device, just tap on accept. Wait for the process to finish and just tap on done, done. Now to view your file, make sure that you're under receive. Now go to the top right, tap on the recents icon, and here we have it. Now, if you want to view it on your Android device, you can just tap on it easily and it will automatically open. If not, you can just go ahead and open up the folder and you should be good to go. That's how simple it is to use LocalSend Android to Android. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.